and it is on its way to insertion in the floor of the bicipita groove of the humerus. So this is the trapezius, and this muscle is the latissimus dorsi. This is the deltoid muscle. This muscle is the deltoid. The origin of deltoid from the anterior border of the lateral 1/3 of shaft of clavicle, from the lateral margin of the and the lower lip of the crest of the spine of scapula. So this is the origin of deltoids. From here the dangard runs downwards. It is inserted into the denta tuberosity, which is present on the anterolateral surface of the shaft of humerus. So this is the dentate muscle. This is the posterior compartment of the arm, in which we can see triceps muscle having 3 heads. This is the long head of biceps.